this is a platform where we would like to hear from you rather than me telling you anything. So hope to hear from you. So I think, Matthew, we can open up and listen to people. That would be better.
Okay. So thank you, Bijana ma'am, for that introduction to the session. So as I said, this will be an informal. So now it's the time for the participants to talk. They can unmute themselves and share their experiences. Which are the sessions they like, they don't like. So whatever they want to share, they can share their feedback, and in which all way we can improve in arranging such events in the future and so on. So it's open time. So any participants can unmute themselves and start talking. If none comes up, then I'll try to call. Yeah. So it's an open time. I hope some of you will come forward and give the feedback of the sessions and FDP in general. So just to start, I'll call Jagadish Chandra Pandey, so who used to be very active. Jagadish Chandra Pandey is there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so it is a very fruitful session. Every session is a fruitful and knowledgeable, because smart grid is a new concept, and I am very happy and I am very satisfied with the session because this is emerging technology actually, and still a lot of knowledge. It is the students and particularly faculty of the engineering college and the technical college are still it is a new knowledge means. So particularly the session by you, the session in which you have optimization algorithm you have discussed. So many of the concept means the necessary function and satisfactory function is a new for me. So some new concept has come, and so it is a very knowledgeable and fruitful session, and I am very thankful to you for and very obliged to being a part of such a session. And in the future, I hope that you will also consider me for such type of FDPs also.
Thank you, Jagdish sir, for that wonderful feedback. So now I'm not calling anyone, so it's open. Any participants can unmute themselves and speak.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible, sir? This is Karthikeyan from
Yeah, so we can hear you. So you can just introduce and you can.
Yes, sir. This is Karthikeyan from PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, sir. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the team who has organized this FTP, and you have organized in a well manner, and the collection of resource persons was really outstanding. So good collection of resource persons, and the content delivered by all the resource persons was really good, especially from the IITs. Many resource persons were IITs, and myself, we are working on in the smart grid in the domain of IEDs in IEC 61850 protocol, and I could able to collect more information from very good resource persons like Dr. Gopal Gajar, Dr. Anupama Gauli, and Dr. Ankur Kulkarni, Dr. Sarajit Das, who all emphasized on my particular domain, and I have learned a lot from those particular people, and especially from Dr. MP Selvan, who has explained down to earth, and mainly from your session also, who from the chalk and talk method was really useful for us. Thank you one and all, and for all the organizing team for organizing a very good FDP for us. Thank you, sir. Thank
you. Thank you, Professor Karthikeyan from PSG College. Yeah. Others? Dr. Bograj T is there.
Yeah, I'm Bograj from PSG College of Technology. Hello, are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So we had a very good time for this past 1 week. So all the resource persons from various institutes have presented well. Okay, so we got very good knowledge about the smart grid and its concepts, and very many new techniques were discussed, and allied concepts also. Some so we came to know many new technologies. So thanks for organizing such a workshop, such a FDP for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bogaraj.
Yes.
Debomita Ghosh.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am, and all my fellow colleagues who have attended this 5-day session. We were all together. So it was really great. All the sessions, I would like to say that all the sessions were excellent. Many new contents got added, especially to my research outlay. I would especially like to thank Anupama ma'am, because actually entirely her work area and my work area, because I am also working and planning oriented job where she was focusing on. So it was really great to hear from her and all the dignitaries from whom I have heard. So similar kind of FDPs I would expect that Matthew sir or any other coordinator from TKM will be organizing in near future, and we would be glad to again attend it. So it was great. Thank you once again.
Thank you, madam. So indeed, we will be telling about an event which is coming up. So hopefully you can join for that as well.
Definitely, sir.
Anybody else? Sarojkan Singh. Rajat Kumar. Yeah, anybody from Kerala? Reenu Sara Matthews.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Hello, sir. Myself, Renu Saramati from St. Thomas Institute for Science and Technology, Trivandrum. From St. Thomas Institute for Science and Technology, Trivandrum. Sir, actually, it's power system is the topic. I'm also doing some research. It's a very good sessions we had, especially the sessions handled by the Bijina Kuni ma'am and Anupama ma'am. All the sessions are very good and very much informative. I'm very much thankful to all of you, especially to Matthew sir, and all the one who handled these sessions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. One last person. Pragriti Shah. Dr. Pragriti Shah is there. Okay, fine. So thank you all for the feedbacks that you have given. So you can so you have my contact number as well. So anytime you can reach to us with the feedback or anything related. And now we will move to a next session. As I said, we'll be introducing one of the program that we have in line. Which is actually an international conference, and the theme that we have selected for that conference is actually intelligent solutions for smart grids and smart cities. So now I will invite Dr. Sabina Bibi, who is associate professor in our department, and she is one of the conveners of that conference. So I would like to invite Dr. Sabina Bibi to tell us more about the upcoming conference.
Okay, thank you, Matthew. Am I audible?
Yes,
you are audible. Okay, a very good afternoon to everyone. First of all, let me congratulate the whole team behind ADAL FTP for a triumphant organization. And it is clear from the feedback as well. And the department is happy to announce the news regarding our upcoming international conference on power, energy, control, signals and systems, short IPEX 2022. Since the participants of this FTP are closely related to the theme of our conference, so we are glad enough to introduce it before you. Actually, this is the second version of IPEX, and this time the theme of the conference is Intelligent Solutions for Smart Grids and Smart Cities. And it is planning to be held on 10 to 12 June 2022 and is planned to be in hybrid mode. And this time the attraction is your paper will, the submitted papers, presented and submitted papers will be published as book chapter, and the Springer Nature has agreed to publish the proceedings of the conference in their Scopus indexed book series, Lecture Notes in Electrical Engineering. And tracks include most of the cutting edge technologies. And we are arranging tutorial sessions from famous experts and researchers from famous universities like Ontario University and Salerno University, Italy. And there are good keynote sessions from industry persons as well. So we welcome you all to to submit your research works and also to share among your friends and colleagues. So that's from my side. So I'll share the brochure and call for purpose with Matthew. Matthew is also one of the organizers of the conference. Okay, so wish you all a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So if you would like to present and show the
yes,
brochure, if you have, that would be great, because that will remind.
I'll present. Is it visible now?
Yeah, so we can see the, we can see.
Yes, this is we have Scopus indexed publication. Then the theme is Intelligent Solutions for Smart Grids and Smart Cities. The date is 10 to 12 June 2022. And the call for papers is open now. And the paper submission is closing on 15th, 2022. That is January 2022. And the tracks include challenges and solutions for grid integration, applications of AI/ML in power systems, developments in electric vehicles, instrumentation and control, advancement in power semiconductor drives, economic and sustainable design of smart cities. Of course, this is an interdisciplinary track. This will be an interdisciplinary track. So from other disciplines like mechanical, civil, and architecture also can submit papers. And the submission is through the Microsoft's CMT. And this is the publication, that is book chapters, lecture notes, and electrical engineering. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome you all to submit the papers, and please do share this. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabina madam, for that information about the upcoming international conference. So you can, so I'll share the brochure of that particular conference with you, so that you can submit the original research articles, as well as you can share the information with the colleagues who are similarly working on these areas. So now I would like to come to the final thing in the validatory section, which is vote of thanks. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty for giving us the strength, because we are living in this troublesome times, and it is I believe it is the mercy of God that we are still alive, and we can coordinate, and you can attend this session. So I'd like to thank Almighty for giving everyone the strength to do this, and Now I would like to thank the college and the management, the TKM College of Engineering and its management for giving us this opportunity to be as staffs here and allowing us to conduct such events, which is helpful for the for faculties from different colleges. So I'd like to thank management, principal has joined for the inauguration session. HOD, Bijna teacher was always the person who is encouraging us to do such things. In fact, this FDP is the only reason behind this FDP is I would say it is a Bijna teacher because it at the start of applying, it is Bijna teacher who has encouraged me to apply it the second time actually. So I would like to thank HOD Bijna teacher. Also, I would like to thank the department faculty as well as students. There are a lot of students who are involved in organizing this particular FDP, and many faculties have joined. Also, they have helped me in organizing this event. Even we are actually in a place or in a time where we are academically we have a lot of load. So many of my academic works were handled by some other people in these weeks, so that I could engage in this FDP. So I would like to thank those who have helped us to coordinate this particular FDP. Next, I would like to thank AICT, especially the ATAL, for giving us this opportunity to conduct the FDP. And it is through the AICT ATAL portal that you all have registered. And so all those things, and even the sponsoring, the funding is also by ATAL, AICT ATAL, because it's free for the participants. And the resource person sessions and all is funded by AICT. So in this occasion, I would like to thank AICT ATAL for sponsoring this FDP. Next, I would like to thank each resource person. So as we have heard from the participants, we have got some of the best people to talk in this area, and almost everyone, as I said in the beginning itself, almost everyone has agreed in the first request itself. So when I asked them whether can you deliver a session, they immediately accepted the offer. So there was not much problem in of looking for a resource person, because whoever we have approached, they have given their acceptance in the first place itself. So I'm not mentioning any name, but everyone has contributed, and they have put in a lot of effort, because delivering a 1.5 2 hour sessions, it actually requires at least 1 week work. So I thank every resource person who has put a lot of effort and dedication, and they have separated this time to be with us and share the knowledge. So I would like to thank each resource person. And this FDP would not be happening if participants are not there. So I would like to thank each and every participant who has joined, and many of you have attended almost every sessions. So I thank all the participants for registering and for joining for the sessions. I know that you are also in between many works, but in spite of that, you have found out time to attend the session. So on behalf of the department and the committee behind this FDP, I would like to thank each and every participant for joining for this session. Finally, I would like to thank the co-coordinator. So it is actually Professor TP Imtiaz, who is the coordinator of this session, and I'm also another coordinator. So it is Imtiaz sir who has helped us a lot in scheduling the things, finding the resource person, and he's the man who is always encouraging me during this organizing of this FTP. And so, as I mentioned, many MTech students were involved in this event, many faculties of our department. So again, I'm mentioning about that. Finally, yeah, so we many a times we tend to forget about these people. So finally, I would like to thank Google actually. So it is Google Meet is provided by Google, and YouTube as well. So I'm sharing the videos through YouTube. So Google and YouTube has provided us with this wonderful setup so that we can have this online sessions without any interruptions, and they are giving us the recordings of the sessions after each session. So that is also a great thing. We can have it and look at the sessions later as well. Okay, so I'm winding up now. So once again, I thank each and everyone who has played their part to make this FDP a great success, and I hope that this FDP will remain, and it will bear fruits in the next maybe it may be through your research work, or maybe through your students' research work, or the recordings are available. So I'll share the links of recorded videos with you, and so that can be used as a tool which is available. You can always refer to that at any time. Oh, so on that note, I would like to finish my vote of thanks, and with this we'll wind up the valedictory session. So thank you all for joining for this valedictory session. And one thing that is remaining is the assessment, which is specified by AICT. It is mandatory to conduct the assessment, and the marks need to be forwarded to AICT for a generation of certificate. And the certificate will be issued directly in the AICT portal. Once I upload the attendance as well as the assessment marks, it will be automatically generated in the AICT portal. So you can log into the place where you have registered, and if the attendance and assessment mark is above the specified limit, the FDP certificate will be automatically generated in the Atal portal. Okay, so I'll forward the link for assessment in the chat box. So you can click on that link, and it has 2 pages. So the first page, you need to enter the basic details like name, institution, designation, and so on. After completing that, it will go into the next page. In the next page, you will have 30 questions. So all questions are very easy questions, and it is moreover it is MCQ questions. So answer is there. You just need to find the answer. And so the link will be active from 3 o'clock right now. So I'll share the link right now in the chat box. The link will be active from 3 o'clock, and it will close at 4 o'clock. Okay, so you can start your exam at any time and try to finish in 30 minutes. And so you have time till 4 o'clock. So the answers will be accepted till 4 o'clock. So I'll share the link in the chat box. You can take that link. So with that, we'll stop. We'll close the valedictory session. So thank you all for joining. So let me share the link.
Thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Sabina teacher, for sharing that. Thank you all participants for joining. So I hope the link is available. You can use this link to answer the questions.